Hello and welcome to this week's AB Tutor Tips video. Sometimes servers need to be replaced. This could be because they've failed or because they're being upgraded, and this means you'll need to move your AB Tutor server install to a different machine. Depending on how you initially set your server up, there are a few different steps required. As I mentioned in the installation video, we strongly recommend that during the initial setup you set your DNS server to point ABCS at the computer running your central server. If you've done this, moving the server is quite straightforward. Install AB Server on your new server as normal, as shown in our installation video. Stop the AB Server service on both servers. This is very important to ensure that neither server instance is trying to write to the database while the files are being copied, ensuring that the data doesn't get corrupted. Copy the entire C drive program data AB Tutor server directory from the old server to the new one. It's fine to overwrite all the data on the new server. Start the AB Server service on the new server. Log in to abtutor.com, select your version 9 central server license and then click Free to free up your license so it's no longer associated with your old server. License your new server as normal. Update your DNS to point ABCS at your new server. At this point, your client and consoles will connect to the new server and everything will continue as normal. Simple. If you haven't set up DNS, then you have a few possibilities. You can rename your old server and then set up the new one with the same name as the old one. This will allow your clients and consoles to find the server. If you do this, you can then just run through the steps I mentioned before. Alternatively, you can set your DNS to point the old server's name to the new server. Again, if you do this, then you can just run through the same steps again. If neither of these are an option, it is possible to set up a new server with a different name. To do this, you will need to follow the steps I mentioned before to get your server up and running, but after doing that a few more steps are required to allow the consoles and clients to find the new server. Open the server's web interface, go to Server Settings Advanced and add your new server's hostname to the list of alternative hostnames. To activate this, click Save, then Generate New Certificate, and finally restart the AB Server service. Produce a new modified installer with the new server's hostname embedded in it, as shown in our MSI video. Uninstall all of your clients and consoles. Reinstall all of your clients and consoles using the new MSI file. Obviously this procedure is significantly more work than the normal move, which is why we recommend using DNS to do the hard work for you. These procedures will also work if you are restoring from a backup, perhaps because the server has actually failed rather than just being decommissioned. I hope this video has answered all of your questions about moving the AB server to different hardware. However, if you are having any problems or would like to know more, please email us at support@abtutor.com and we'll do what we can to help. Thanks for watching.